We had a bond that was complex, deep, but always real. I truly love him a lot. He was one of those people who would fill a room with his energy, passionate, just a little bit stubborn, greatly magnetic, and impossible to ignore. That was Rajiv. He could drive you up the wall and make you laugh 5 seconds later. He had an undeniable spark. To many, he was a hero, a brother, a friend. But to our daughter, he was her dad. And in her eyes, that made him someone extraordinary. She carries his fire, his boldness, and that same glint in her eyes. I will always make sure she carries the best of him with her, the goodness he gave and all the light he left behind. I have always held him in my prayers, and I still do. And I hope he is resting peacefully, watching over us with his love and pride. Rest easy, Rajiv. You were one of a kind. And in both love and legacy, you will always be remembered. Love, Naya and Inara.
Rajiv, my dear son. Rajiv, you left us too soon. I thought Rajiv was so familiar being a son of Sudhir Ruparelia. But in last 3 days, what I found out is no, he created his own identity. Rajiv, I'm so proud of you. Rajiv, people come to us and say, you've been educating these people. I know you like to do a lot of charity. And we are going to carry on with your charity. Rajiv, the way the funeral was arranged for you today, the government closed some roads for you. We had the rally drivers, we have the scooters, motorbikes, and a super procession. I wish you were a part of it. And your naughty sister Sheena was on a scooter, which I was quite worried of. But she says, no, I've had my great holidays with Rajiv, and I'll carry on. Rajiv, I know your greatest love was Inara. You were dying for Inara. You did so much for Inara, and I promise you, you did. Sudhir and I, till we are alive, we will take care of Inara. And you wanted an Inara tower for Inara, and that will be our next project, Rajiv. And Inara, we are going to look after Inara. So please rest in peace. We're going to miss you, son. It's going to be very difficult, but we have to let go, son. Son, I'm very sorry. I took you as a little kid. I was always kept calm. Calm down. Calm down. Rajiv, please slow down. I'm sorry if I hurt you, son. But you know, mothers love their children. They love their children. So obviously they try to straighten them.
Amannya nze Nsuuga Mustafa, nkola ne Ali Hira Holdings Uganda Limited. Tuli bakozi ba biodigester wamu n'okuzimba okw'enjawulo. So olwaleero tuli wano eno nga tuli nkola biodigester. Ekyenjawulo ekiriwo nti yo eri mu basement wakati okusinziira nga bulijjo abantu mu kiraba ti eno parking lot. So eri wansi eri parking lot eri mu basement. Leero tukoze size y'abantu 5 ng'era erina capacity okusavinga ekizimbe kino kyonna nga wekinaabeera. Wano eno ng'era emigaso gya bulijjo gya biodigester tebagenda kunuunamu. Atwetaaze ku namba z'essimu 07017669992 ne MTN 0789224230. Enamba ezo zonna kweziri ku WhatsApp.
Bampita Ali Moses, marketing manager wa Tete Business Solutions. We deal in printing, branding and general supplies. Tukola signages, tukola corporate wear uniforms n'ebintu bingi. Bino byonna bye mulaba mu dduuka. Zino samples. Buli kyolaba kyonna tulina stores. Tukola bintu bingi. N'abasinga bamanyi tukola printing and branding only. Naye tukola bingi, tulina departments ezirimu civil engineering, ezirimu installations, mechanical installations n'ebirala. Tuli located at Lighthouse Arcade behind Charm Towers, C12. Era bw'otuuka ku C12 obupande waffe wonna oba obulaba.
Rich Boutique wano ku Kamukamu Plaza Entebbe Road Kampala bayina engoye okuva e UK ez'abaami n'abakyala. Bayina diapers oba ziyite pampers okuvira ddala ku mwana azaaliddwa paka ku muntu omukulu, engatto z'abakyala n'ebyokwewunda. Mujje wano ku Kamukamu Plaza first floor F46 oba osobola okugiyita FF46 nga we litimbiddwa ku mulyango gwalyo.
Rajiv Construction Company tulina abakugu b'enjawulo. Tulina nga onalaba nti tulina ba architects, tulina ba structural engineer, tulina ba painter, tulina ba electrical. Onatuuka ewagulu jasanga nti slab etwagitaddemu pipe z'amasannyalaze tetwayise balala. Feke nnyini n'abantu baffe nga bwe tukola fe abakoze etya abakyekoledde. Kwegamba Rajiv emirimu gye tukola gono tukuba plan. Mwekyo ne tukola electrical ebyamasannyalaze, ne tukola plumbing ebyo ebyamazzi, ne tupaintinga, ne tukola interior designing, landscaping ebya compound, ebyo byonna Rajiv Construction Company tubikola sebo.
Amanya gange bapita Idembabazi Brenda basawa Little Birds School elisangibwa wanene Nansana Kyebando mu Nsumbi. Tuyina mixed day and boarding. Abasula wano n'abadde waka. Ebisale byaffe wano ku ssomero bisoboka eri buli muzadde, ate tuyina wano ne koodi kw'osobola osasulira nga tosose na kutuuka ku ssomero. Tukoola buli bazadde bonna abali eyo mu Uganda n'abali ebweru wa Uganda okutuwa abaana mu kisulo ne mu dde. Tuyina vani zaffe ezitwala abadde ewaka, omwana wonna waali vani zisobola omutuusaayo. Ebisulo byaffe abaana gye basula bulungi era byegombesa. Visit us and get our services.